In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to debug lovable projects. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, encountering bugs is a part of the development process. But don't worry, we'll walk through each step to help get your project up and running smoothly again. To begin, open your browser and navigate to Lovable's website. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the specific project you need to debug. This task is straightforward. Just use the dashboard to find and click on your project listing. After you've navigated to your project, it's time to harness Lovable's preview mode. This feature is invaluable as it allows you to test and see the immediate states of your project in action. What you need to do is simply find the preview button, which is typically located at the top of the page, and give it a click. This action will bring up an interactive view of your project as it currently stands, showing you exactly what users would experience. Now let's delve into checking your code logic. This step is crucial if you've been dabbling with custom JavaScript or integrating Supabase logic. Head over to the Code tab, which you can find within the top menu. Take a moment to scrutinize the lines of code before you. Look for any red or yellow warning lines, as these indicate syntax issues. Lovable's built-in editor provides linting, which is a helpful feature for catching errors early. It acts as your first line of defense in identifying potential problems in your code. Sometimes issues arise from stale data or cached information, leading to unexpected project behavior. In such cases, a practical approach is to clear the cache or restart the preview. This simple refresh often resolves minor issues and ensures you're seeing your project's most recent state. If you find yourself still grappling with unresolved bugs, it's time to consult Lovable's built-in AI. This smart assistant can be incredibly helpful. Simply type into the chat input box your specific issue. You could try phrases like, "Why is my button not submitting the form?" or "Fix API connection error." With this information, Lovable AI scans your project's context, offering insights into what's wrong with the logic or any missing bindings. Think of it as having a debugger that's both intuitive and responsive. By following these steps, you'll find that debugging your Lovable projects is not just a systematic process, but also an opportunity to learn and refine your skills. Remember, every problem solved is a step forward in becoming a more competent and confident developer. Don't get discouraged by bugs. Instead, view them as learning experiences that bring you closer to perfection in your projects. Happy debugging!